In recent days, the music world has been shaken by the sudden rise of the Velvet Sundown, a fully AI-generated band that has sparked controversy and fascination in equal measure. Unlike any traditional band, the Velvet Sundown is the creation of artificial intelligence. Its music, lyrics, vocals, visuals, and even promotional materials are all the result of advanced algorithms, not human musicians. The controversy erupted when their debut single, Shadows on the Horizon, appeared on major streaming platforms. The haunting sound, a blend of dark wave, synth pop, and alt-rock, caught immediate attention. But when it was revealed that every aspect of the song was generated by AI, backlash exploded online. For many, this band represented a tipping point, a vision of the future where technology doesn't just assist human artists, but replaces them entirely. Fans, musicians, and industry figures voiced concern. Critics accused the Velvet Sundown of creating soulless music, arguing that art requires real emotion, life experience, and the human touch. Social media filled with hashtags like #NotRealMusic and #AITellsArt as the debate over AI's place in music reached new heights. Some prominent musicians spoke out, warning that this could signal the devaluation of human creativity and the erosion of what makes music authentic. On the other side, supporters of the Velvet Sundown saw the project as inevitable. They pointed out that new tools have always faced resistance. Synthesizers, auto-tune, and digital production, all once seen as threats to real music. If AI-generated songs move people emotionally, they argue, does it really matter who or what created them? The band was developed by Core Labs, a tech startup specializing in AI creativity. According to them, the goal is not to replace human artists, but to explore what's possible when technology pushes creative boundaries. They described the Velvet Sundown as an experiment, not a takeover. Still, their plans for AI-generated albums, virtual concerts, and merchandise have alarmed musicians worried about the economic impact on real artists. The music itself has undeniably struck a chord. The Velvet Sundown sound is dark, moody, and strangely beautiful. Their AI-generated visual identity, surreal, gothic, cyberpunk, has also captivated younger audiences, especially on platforms like TikTok. The band's fictional personas, rendered through AI imagery, add to the mystique. Some fans have embraced them without hesitation, while others reject them outright. Industry insiders worry about legal complications. Since the AI was trained on vast datasets of existing music, questions of unintentional plagiarism and copyright infringement loom large. Lawyers have already warned that this could be the beginning of massive legal battles in music, as the boundaries of creation blur. Adding to the controversy is the fear of job loss. As AI-generated bands like the Velvet Sundown rise, struggling independent musicians wonder if they'll be pushed aside by entities that can release endless music without rest, payment, or human emotion. Some worry that live music itself could eventually face replacement through AI-powered virtual performers. Yet, despite the backlash, the Velvet Sundown continues to grow. Their streams are climbing, their merch is selling, and Core has hinted at plans for future collaborations between AI and human artists. For some, this is exciting, a glimpse of a hybrid future where technology and humanity create side by side. For others, it feels like a dystopian nightmare where the soul of music is being drained. What's certain is that the Velvet Sundown has sparked a conversation that goes far beyond music. It touches on the future of art, the role of human emotion in creativity, and the unsettling question, if machines can make music that moves us, what does that say about us? As the Velvet Sundown prepares to release more tracks, the debate will only intensify. Are they the next step in the evolution of art, or the beginning of its end?